Hi and welcome to Level Up Cartooning. Today we're going to draw another great from Looney Tunes, long-suffering Sylvester the Cat. Sylvester has appeared in 103 cartoons in the golden age of animation, trailing only Bugs Bunny, Porky Pig, and Daffy Duck in appearances. His most favorite catchphrase, suffering succotash. Anyways, all you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. Easy, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Alright, so let's draw Sylvester the Cat. We're going to draw poor Sylvester step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this stretched out running pose, Sylvester is just over 2 heads tall, not counting his elbow and heels. He's also about 5 heads wide, just so you know. Alright, so let's start with that road map for Sylvester. So there's a roadmap of Sylvester the Cat. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Sylvester's eyes and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out Sylvester's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for Sylvester the Cat. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Sylvester. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in those details for Sylvester the Cat. Alrighty, there he is, Sylvester the Cat. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Sylvester before, you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring him during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Sylvester the Cat. With that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So now I'd love to see your drawing of Sylvester. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had fun with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Till next time, keep drawing, my friends.